आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट, टुडेज टॉपिक इज सोर्सेस ऑफ इन्फेक्शन। सोर्स ऑफ इन्फेक्शन की हमारा जो इन्फेक्शन है वो किस किस वजह से मिलता है, कहाँ से मिलता है, वो हो गया सोर्स ऑफ इन्फेक्शन। जैसे अभी हमारा कोरोना वायरस चल रहा है तो वो सोर्सेस ऑफ इन्फेक्शन क्या है, हमारा टचिंग। ठीक है, किसी कांटेक्ट में आना, किसी से बातचीत करना, ये हो गया सोर्सेस ऑफ इन्फेक्शन। सो क्या है इन्फेक्शन डिसीज? Epidemiology is a fundamental part of the whole of epidemiology. In fact, the subject of epidemiology originally developed from the study of epidemic of infection disease. Infection disease is epidemiology is a science of public health that study distribution of infection disease. अब हमारा इसमें क्या होगा, सिलेक्शन मतलब एक डेफिनेशन होगी इन्फेक्शन की। वो क्या होगी? द एंट्री एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ इन्फेक्शन एजेंट इन द बॉडी ऑफ मैन और एनिमल। इट ऑल्सो implies that the body responds in some way to defend itself against it the invader, either in the form of the immune response or diseases. An infection does and always cause illness. There are several level of infection, जैसे colonization, जो कि कॉलोनीज बना के स्प्रेड होते हैं। ठीक है, जैसे कि इसका इन द स्किन, नॉर्मल, नेसोफेरेंजल्स इसमें होते हैं। सब क्लिनिकल और इन अपरेंट इन्फेक्शन किसका हो गया? पोलियो। लेटेंट इन्फेक्शन वायरस, लेटेंट वायरस ऑफ हर्पेस, और ये हो गया हमारा मैनिफेस्टेड और क्लिनिकल इन्फेक्शन। अभी क्या होगा? इन्फेक्शन डिसीज द क्लिनिकली मैनिफेस्टेशन डिसीज ऑफ मैन और एनिमल रिजल्टिंग फ्रॉम एन इन्फेक्शन or contagious disease, the disease that is transmitted through contact. Communicable disease, all the due to specific infectious agent. It's a toxic produced capable of being directly or indirectly transmitted from man to man, animal to animal, और environment, air, dust, soil, water, man और animal। ठीक है, contamination क्या है? the presence of infection agent a body surface, also in or cloths, beading, toys, surgical instrument, dressing or in animated articles. Epidemic process क्या है? Epidemic process defined as a chain, interrelated and intercontent infection condition in a population. Communicable diseases are transmitted from receiver or sources of infection to suspectable host. अभी कैसे होता है इन्फेक्शन हमारा? देखो, सोर्सेस, रिसीवर ऑफ इन्फेक्शन, मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन कैसे कैसे मिला है हमें? स्नीजिंग से मिला है, टचिंग से मिला है, कैसे मिला है हमें? वो हो गया मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन। सस्पेक्टेबल होस्ट क्या हमारा, क्या हम मिलने के बाद कौन सा बैक्टीरिया है, वायरस है, क्या चीज़ मिली है, वो हमें देखना पड़ेगा। सोर्सेज एंड टाइप ऑफ एपिडेमिक प्रोसेस में क्या है? अ डिसीज इज सेड टू बी sporadic when only few cases occur here there in giving region. Outbreak defined a small usually localized epidemic. Examples क्या है? like corona, the fourth pandemic. This is the fourth pandemic 1863 to 1875, spread mostly in Europe and Africa countries, and in 1866 there was a breakdown in North America. The sixth pandemic 1899 to 1923 had little effect of Europe because of advance in public health, but Russia was badly affected again. The seventh pandemic began in Indonesia is 1961, called EI TROF. After the strain, the research Bangladesh in 1963, India 1964, and this USSR in 1966. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंजा स्पेनिश फ्लू भी बोलते हैं 1918 टू 1990 this an estimation 70 million died in India, 5 lakhs in the United States, and 2 lakhs in UK. The virus was recently reconstructed by scientists at the CDC. Study remain prevenced by the Alcaz permafrost. They identify it is the type of H1N1 virus. Course type and epidemic. The course type of epidemic in the population when that infection is estimated maintained in the population without need for external input, for example chickenpox in this is. And sources of receiver. The sources of receiver क्या है इसका? The sources of receiver is defined as a person, animal, object, substance from which an infectious agent passed disseminated to host. Human receiver, by far the most important sources or receiver of infection or human is man himself. He may be a case of caries. Man is often described as him on enemy because most of the communicable disease of which man is here to contact from human sources. Human receivers क्या हैं? A case is defined as a person in the population or study group identify as having a particular diseases, health disorder or condition under investigation. A variety of criteria. टाइप्स ऑफ इन्फेक्शन क्या होंगे इसमें? देखो, अगर हमारा एक पर्सन इन्फेक्टेड है तो वो कैरीज करेगा सारे पेशेंट को. कैरीज क्या हो गया? In some disease, either due to inadequate treatment or immune response to disease agent is not completely estimated, lead to carrier state. The carrier is defined an infected person or animal that harbour a specific infection agent in the absence of discriminable and clinical disease, and serve as a potential sources of infection for other. Elements in Carey's state are a presence of in body disease agent, the absence of recognition or symptoms and signs of diseases. Thank you so much.